How to easily replace canvas snaps, most often used on boat canvas covers. Now these snaps just don't last forever. Every few years you'll find one or two that have broken off. It's very easy to replace these. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to use a snap replacement kit, and it comes with a little round anvil as well as a peening tool, as well as an assortment of snaps. For the male side, that's a screw in. If one of these breaks, the replacement is very simple. You just replace it, you screw it in. For the female side, this is the side that attaches to the canvas. You have a stud half and then the female half. So you're going to start with the anvil. You're going to place the stud half right into the groove on the anvil. Then you're going to place the hole on the canvas right over the stud. Next, you're going to take the female half and also put it over the stud. Then you're going to use the peening tool or the peening bar. That's got a little dimple in it. You put that dimple right into the top of that stud and give it a good few smacks with a hammer. That's going to peen over the stud, securing the snap in place. A very easy repair.